Are you guys also facing some issue like Instagram profile picture not changing? You are changing again and again, but it is not setting to new profile picture. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this problem very easily, right? You don't need to do much thing here. What you need to do, just go to your app here, Instagram, long press on it, or you can just go to app setting or app info. Okay, so basically you just need to go to open by default and click on this open supported link and set it to always ask, because we are going to open this Instagram in our Chrome browser. So that's why I just do this setting. So just go here and type here instagram.com, and here you just need to log in with your account. In my case it is showing, let me remove it, and now it will show you like this. Click on login and enter your ID and password here. So let me just enter my username and password. Okay, so just click on login, and now it is just logged in. Go to your profile section. In the bottom right, just click on this profile. You will navigate to your profile section. Click on this edit profile. Click on change profile picture photo, upload photos, browse. Now you need to select your profile picture from here. Choose your profile picture which you want to change, like this, rotate it and save it, and you will see like, yeah, this just changed. Profile photo added, right? Go here and you can see your profile picture change now. And if it is still not working, then you can switch between like mobile data or your Wi-Fi. So okay guys, that's how you can change your profile picture. If it is not changing, you don't need to uninstall your Instagram app. Nothing need to do, just go to web and Chrome and log in with your account and just change it, and that's it. So okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, so just hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new on this channel. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.